How bad is your relationship with your boss, manager, or supervisor? Aggressive and bullying behavior? Not caring or ignoring your presence? Undervalue or undermine your work? Humiliate you in public? What are the consequences on your daily life? Impacts your productivity at work. Causes psychological effects and distress that could lead to acute depressions or extreme anxiety and even hysterical uncontrolled behavior. Will impact your personal life, family, and friends around you. Will bring down your self-esteem and confidence. So effectively, how you can manage such conflictual situations? Remain calm and composed. Try to defuse the tension by speaking in a calm and respectful manner. Set boundaries and assert yourself in a firm but respectful manner. Let him know that her behavior is unacceptable and will not be tolerated can sometimes help to de-escalate the situation. If the situation escalates and you feel threatened or unsafe, do not hesitate to remove yourself from the situation and seek assistance from HR. Use your leadership skills to listen to him/her and try to understand her frustration and calmly de-escalate the situation. Sometimes you can bring him/her to open up his mind and help him with an effective solution.